Greetings, and welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Since January, we have been doing a series on miracles, signs, and wonders recorded throughout the New Testament. And our faith is being built. So if you want to build your faith, just follow us. And if you want more people to hear God and talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, leave a comment, let us know what you think, and share this video with as many people as you can. And if you haven't done it yet, now at the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the book we name Acts, chapter 13, from verse 1 to verse 12. Now, you did have some prophet and some teacher amongst the believer them, where they there Antioch. Man like Barnabas, Simeon, where they call Niger, Lucius from Cyrene, Manoyen, Ima Herod the ruler, and a good friend from them a Pitney, and Saul. Them did a serve the Lord and a keep away from food when the Holy Spirit said to them, say, free up Barnabas and Saul so they can do the work when me did pick them for do. So after them time for keep away from food and pray did done, them put them on pan Barnabas and Saul head, pray for them and send them off. The Holy Spirit sent out the two of them and them left go down a Seleucia, and from there so then sail go Cyprus. When they reach a Salamis, they start preach God's word in the Jew them church. Them did have John with them to help them with the work. After they travel across the whole country till they reach where Paphos, they meet one Obeah man, one Jew named Bar Jesus, where did one false prophet. Bar Jesus and the governor for the country, Sergius Paulus, had it friend. The governor did one man were bright and have enough sense. He sent called Barnabas and Saul, cause he did want to hear God's word. But Elymas the Obeah man, in a Greek language, as so they call him, turn up strong against Barnabas and Saul and try to make the governor turn against the good news. But the Holy Spirit take control of Saul, where they call Paul. And he looked straight upon Elymas and said to him, say, you come in like Satan Pitney. You always go against everything we right. You full up a lie and you are one original. You not tap try if you make the Lord truth come in like say it a lie. Right now, God go strike you down and blind you, and you now go can't see the sunlight for now. Same time, him hear them get fog up and dark, and he start feeling way around, and I try to find somebody to hold him on and lead him where he want to go. When the governor see everything will happen, him believe. And what Paul and Barnabas did a teach about the Lord Jesus did really cause him to wonder. Hard. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.